Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add fade out effect to video in Kdenlive. So for example, if you want to do it, first you need to go to project bin settings, and after that you need to drag and drop your video to the timeline, maybe somewhere here. And after that you need to select your video and you need to go to FX tab. It is very important to select this option because here you will be able to find fade out effects. So on the search field I type fade out. And on motion we can find fade out option, so I need to drag and drop this option to my video, and after that you will be able to change duration of this effect. So for example, I'm going to set here maybe 5 seconds and I will check the option fade to black. Alternatively, you can change the effect. On default it is set to linear, but of course you can set here cubic in or exponential in, everything depends on your preferences, but I will select here linear. After that, I will press the play button and we will check the effect of fade out, yeah? So it will be started in a few seconds, so let's wait a few seconds, and how you see, it really works, yeah? So it is how it works. If I helped you to add this effect to your video in Kdenlive, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's solved your problem.